The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate the Nonument 01 McKeldin Fountain Augmented Reality app. So first, download the app from the iOS store for iPhones or iPads, or Google Play for Android. Do this by typing in the search nonument, like the word monument, but with an N, like Nancy. So this augmented reality fountain is to scale of the nearly half-acre original Brutalist fountain. It's designed to be seen at McKeldin Square. Therefore, the best substitute is to view it in a large, flat area that's unobstructed. And that's so you can experience all the hidden nooks and crannies and features in the app. Otherwise, you'll bump into walls trying to see it. So when you open the augmented reality project, visitors at McKeldin Square have the option to hear a site-specific audio tour by the artist. If you're not at the square or you want to skip the tour, tap No. This is where we look around the ground for a protest sign. It'll have an Occupy slogan on it. The sign is the app's way to find a flat plane on the ground to put the fountain. When you find a protest sign that's flat on the ground, hold it there for a couple of seconds. The fountain will stick to that ground plane better. Sometimes the fountain flies away. I haven't seen that in this version, but if that happens, you just restart the app and find a new protest sign. This action of picking up or tapping the protest sign makes the fountain immediately appear. So now you can walk right in. You can also take photos as you go, which will be saved to your photo database on your phone. Use this elevator slider on the right to move up and down the multi-story structure. You can even go underwater with the koi. You can go below the water too, both under the fountain or inside the chambers of the Brutalist structure itself. You'll hear a chattering of memories that are whispered. That means you're in the whisper chambers. It may be disorienting, or you may wish to hang out, or just keep moving to get out of the whisper chambers.
It's time for everyone to go home. It's time for everyone to go home. Hey, this is protest. You have to get this. The process works really well.
As you walk, you'll see memory objects everywhere. There's 18 altogether: skates, koi, pennies, a rose, an Occupy tent, and protest signs, and a bunch of other things, but also signs like no swimming. Tap on these memory objects to hear over an hour of memories from McKeldin Fountain. This spatial documentary is made up of multiple 3-minute videos that are streamed in and require Wi-Fi or data. If that's an issue with your device, or you just want to explore the fountain environment without being interrupted by watching movies, simply collect them to view them later. And whether you watch the streaming movies or not, after you close them, they're collected along the bottom of the app to view whenever or wherever you want. When you collect all 18 movies, a phenomenon. For more information on the project, the artists, the production team, the Nonument heroes, see our documentary and our trailer on our website at nonument01.org. And the next video will show you how to use the free speech tools in this app. Thank you.